Hi, cookies. Welcome to story time. If you've got your snacks ready, enjoy. Today our story is called Alphabet Under Construction, and Denise Fleming is our author and the illustrator. Figured since we were doing Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, we'd do some alphabet stories. So here we go. Plus, I'm a little partial to this story because it's got a mouse in it, and that was something my mom used to like. Alphabet Under Construction. This is our title page. Has the name of the author and the illustrator. Mouse airbrushes an A. That means he's using this paint thing right here to paint the A. Buttons the B. Carves the C. Dyes the D, erases the E. Folds the F, glues the G. A little messy there with the glue, isn't he? Hangs the H, ices the I. So he's using frosting there. Judges the J. Won an award. Kinks the K. Means he bent it. Levels the L. Like I just leveled the book. Measures the M. Nails the N. Okays the O. That means he inspected it and made sure everything was all right. Prunes the P. That's when you cut back leaves and branches to make it all look nice. And quilts the O. That's stitching lots of layers of fabric together. Rolls the R with his paintbrush. Saws the S. He's got his little saw there. Tiles the T. Unrolls the U. Do you know what letter comes next? Vacuums the V. Welds the W. That's what my son-in-law Dylan does. He welds things. That's when you put two metal pieces together with a lot of heat. X-rays the X. Yanks the Y and zips the Z. And that's his work calendar showing that and schedule of things to do. So he went through all the things he had on his list from A to Z. So I hope you enjoyed Alphabet Under Construction.